Matiang'i na Simba mbomrente airport. Simba kama usabe bicha akamakomoka akajisakulate kirase kabanga Matiang'i bomene na Simba, which is okay. Ene viongozi byonzi bya gusi bwende komera na basha. Lakini ne nokugani kwane ne babanyo ati second ibere chuka. Bagateba ntutike tosiriri ndebire gusiga bicisege. Matiang'i akasabe agatebi Simba Simba ya tiga psi mane cisege ari gusi. Tutu ari siasa bari bonse naba gusi baro. Hani ogosaba kwa ninga Matiang'i ni diteka na ibere chuka akamote iguni zumwera gusi. Yoka. Nobo soko sana koranga twatwari kiongozi gitu kurugusi. Nomo ntoyo mo kumupinga Zimbarati. Nobo soko sana. Jambate mugano mokega. Ogenda Western Kenya. Natembea hata beti sifuna iga. Ground ngubu ate rand. Hai soka isko ya gusi, soka isko ya Western. Poni ga sifuna iri chunguru sana n'abaluya babo. Atebe kunga soka isko kuru Western. Gentali gichukura isiko. Ground na bwate rero inatembea kumutebe. Viongozi bya Western bya mwire kijumla nga bago campaign sifuna nka sifuna tigaso kisiko manyare kora sifuna gakonyora chinguru ochire Nairobi ochire Mombasa ochire Gusiga ochire Sabagere ochire Migori kira so tachiro okwanire ebindate tote yabanenje oyiri chinguru kabisa toche Gusiga Matiang'i tonenire igabana nyamira na mukutano Matiang'i na yomo kalgotacha Ngiakoro Matiang'i tatagiti Matiang'i toche Kisii County Simbara jaro chenga na roboli kirogo kirikyo president tari Matiang'i akoboli ayo musaliri ngatagiti Matiang'i taboli egere 2027 gegoika airobo governor agorobo governor 2032 buli president Matiang'i tabanerete kango ikirere chingaki chikura chigwako twensi pitu shaka kuligereri ningo to gwakera chikura tushaka record inchuga ke kwalinge governor kikwalenge kera Matiang'i kubuli anga morengo kikwalenge aba gusiaba bako ituna kuruziwa manyinga bone yagusi nabo abo muracho kategemea akaba bakere chikura manyabo igo those are the same people mochi kokani ka 2027 ngewika babakere chikura 2032 na 2027 ingenya ndamwome kokera pi aba gusiba kwitwa manyinga sifuna atemete kabisa akateyaba abaluya ngabwate ranka sona isikari tikangene mpambane alafu intuma kumakaba kusiye viongozi bitu ni mutangene mogote Matiang'i ngaya to wisaini ngaya to kunyara obo suku waigoro muno etari gusiye ito enyanda mwamu inembe ukomera no Matiang'i bomerente na Simbarati mushimwe Matiang'i angelo mungwanu yachi nero mwe karanse nero mugambe nero gusimurange nyansi yongonsa motebi one simple statement chise gishera gusi erabera suruto 100% amu campaign mpaka chiba chama gendro amu akora campaign lakini atiga bagusi babe moyo atike abagusi babe moyo manyinga taiterwa asenyencho yachikura gusi yaito kero monto asikwe omulengo kero montare atigero simple and clear ndo basikonya bintu byokolekana ndoko kandi bintu bine byokolekana gweta aba gusiba gwitu bagwitura manyinga tubate byongoziga nali kitigoro mugako ya Mungu mubolinga mugaka umuntu ngali gusiba na muri kere chiguni chikoba kuja muri mwako rakende umwako webakiye bacha sana lakini ngo babekera ndi video mocho monyora kolende nje kurumeyane na igole bobe sana konyole byongozi bitu bikuru ni Matiang'i abande siko bakonya abande inunga imukale nyamno sana sokari chinga kichino ko follow mukwa times yandra wantegera support webate ngaki makrisi nzemi nyamno sana to me next time
to legoro asa macha ya weta ago chirumbo kaiga ka to gosabera Matiang'i ile kikura kuna macha ya kumirro kaiga egere akonye kenga asa macha ya weta ka to legoro onye Mr. Matiang'i aire chikura kero monta makere chikura aire borotyo atogambe amen.
Welcome to Humphrey's Hill House. Humphrey's is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. we are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.